Welcome back, guys. So in our first video we did cash out some earnings from our receipt hag account, and I cash out a $5 PayPal money. That amount will be automatically be going to my PayPal account. So yes, guys, so now we're gonna cash out some more receipt cash out. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go into our receipt jar. Now this is similar to the receipt hag, and in the receipt hag we did go ahead and actually do some spinning also. So yes, guys, for the receipt jar, I don't have any earnings to collect. So what I'm gonna do is just cash out a $5 PayPal money. So yes, guys, so let's go over to our wallet section. After being in our wallet section, we're going to go ahead and press the redeem button. So you can see all that they offer when it comes to the cash out method. So yes, guys, and of course I'm going to choose the PayPal cash out method. It is more easier and convenient to me personally. So yes, guys, so we're going to do that. So depending on the amount of money that we have in amount of coins we have in our account, that's how much earnings we're able to take out, how much PayPal take out a $5 PayPal money. So we're going to do that, and we're going to show you so there you go, guys. The instruction is going to be sent to our email address, and once the instruction has been sent, we're going to go ahead and follow the procedures that they gave us, and then we're going to collect our earning to our PayPal money. This part is very simple and easy. So all we have to do is just follow the information that was given, and it is all done. So now we have some earnings that we can collect. So what we're going to do, we're going to collect it now, and the earnings are the Bitcoin cash giveaway and the Litecoin giveaway. We're going to start with the Bitcoin cash giveaway. So I've been using this money making app now for years to earn a little bit of cryptocurrency on the side. So yes, so if you're interested, what I'll do, I'll leave the links for these in the description down below. So it'll be super easy for you to just click the link and make your very own account so you can start earning. I have started earning a little bit more cryptocurrency back in my portfolio, because I don't know if you guys remember, I think it was in last year, I started in 2024 selling my cryptocurrency when it comes to my trades, profit, and all of that. And I stopped for a while in 2025, and then now 2026, the summer is coming, and basically I'm just getting started again, accumulating more cryptocurrency. So yes, guys. They haven't been paying out a lot of coins, like for example, they haven't been paying out a lot of earnings. So we're just gonna make do with what they're giving to us. So yes, guys, so because at the end of the day, it's basically free. So it's up to you if you want to do it or not. For me personally, I have no problem with it. So yes, guys. Okay, as you guys can see, I did receive the PayPal money for the receipt hog, because as I said before, the receipt hog payment method, it's basically automatic, but for the receipt jar you have to go through a process. So just to keep that into consideration. So yes, guys, being that they have basically shared with me my cash out so swiftly, I'm gonna go into my PayPal money just to share with you guys how much I have in there at the moment. So let's go over there, guys. So guys, as of right now, I'm doing this video, you can see that I have a $30 Canadian in my account. So just to keep that into consideration. So yes guys, so what I'll be doing, I will be posting this $5 receipt hug cash out on my YouTube post, so you guys can have an example of my recent cash out and how much is it and from which money making app I got the cash out from. So just to keep that into consideration guys. So yeah, once the receipt jar has been processed and everything and sent to my PayPal, I will post the PayPal with the PayPal receipt so that you guys can see the earning that I've got. So yes guys, I want to thank you guys for being here, for liking, sharing and subscribing, and I'll see you guys in another video. Bye guys.